This is the audio log to Conversions and Expression, Parts 1 and 2. A poet tries to empty his mind, to free the thoughts best left behind. He pulls out the blank white pages, so he can vent all of his swollen rages. Yet the paper, it is thin indeed, unable to compensate. It could not absorb all he would bleed in his dark and vulnerable state. So be it his fate to self-terminate? Will it initiate if I instigate? Should I wait, as the screams resonate, for his hate proceeds to enervate? Festering alone in the prison of bone, his dwindling spirit decays. Must he atone for the seeds once sown during his darkest of days? Never is the ending for the soul's bitter rending, revived after each of its deaths. With each resurrection there's no time for reflection, for hope has taken the last of its breaths. He, the one who's broken, withered and torn to his very core, finally believing there's no end to his grieving, he wonders what he's fighting for. As he kneels and cries, his weary eyes see his demise in eternal reprise. So what can be expected of him now? He tries to move on, not knowing how. Infinitely he's chained to the abyss where he's drained, internally destroyed, happiness devoid, no escaping from the pull of the void. So what must he do? The sorrow reigns true, suffocating notions of joy. Mirrored as pain, reflecting disdain as despair continues to destroy. Inside of him rests a future so grim, his aspirations are bleak at best. At misery's whim, his chances are slim, so he lays all of his dreams to rest. Deep down inside, where pride has died, agonies reside as regrets coincide with happiness denied as his worries collide. Yes, suicide is vaguely implied. Yet he knows that death will come in time and will eventually take his hand. Until then, he will continue to rhyme, as many will claim to understand. So now that his thoughts have finally bled, the bright white pages now stained in red, with his mind now calm, barren of rage, he can now remove his pen from the page.